Welcome to Dr. Sam's anatomy classes.
Right, anterior superior hallux vein is a bony prominence here at the anterior end of the iliac crest, and you have to palpate about this pubic tubercle. So from pubic tubercle, and you know what goes from here till here is the inguinal ligament, and that inguinal ligament has a downward convexity, and that
midpoint of inguinal ligament and the mid-inguinal point. दोनों में difference क्या है?
okay, I'll be telling you all. So let me tell you that this point, pubic symphysis tibialis, this inguinal ligament has a downward convexity because of the pull of fascia lata. And this mid-inguinal point, as you were asking, as I told you, there was this vertical line passing this way, both the side, and that was called mid-clavicular line. Mid-clavicular line was a line through which there were nipples passing, tip of the ninth posterior cartilage passing, and it passes down to the mid-inguinal point. ठीक है, तो मैं बता रहा हूँ. That was mid-inguinal point where this mid-clavicular line meets the inguinal ligament. That is mid-inguinal point, and that is the point where deep you palpate for the pulsations of femoral artery. Right? Okay. Then a finger breadth lateral to that is another point, and that is the midpoint of inguinal ligament. So midpoint of inguinal ligament actually is point between ASIS till pubic tubercle, and mid inguinal point is actually a point which is mid of the inguinal fold, and inguinum is actually ASIS till the groins. It extends from ASIS till the groins, right? So inguinum is something more lengthier. From ASIS it reaches to the groins, and ligament is only till pubic tubercle. So the midpoint of inguinal ligament will be lateral to the mid-inguinal point, right? So mid-inguinal point, it is this femoral artery that passes, and midpoint of inguinal ligament, it is femoral nerve that passes lateral to the femoral sheath, outside the femoral sheath, and 1.2 centimeter above to the midpoint of inguinal ligament. Deep below you find is the deep opening of the inguinal canal, oval opening in the inguinal canal. That is like a window from where this processus vaginalissus extends into this inguinal canal. So that is the opening in the fascia transversalis, deep down. So those were the two important points I had just told you.